something, behaving like a child. Why it is happening? Up to the age of 80 also I have seen they are finding somebody of 85 years telling uncle, auntie or chacha ji, something like that. Why it is happening? You must have seen some people of 40 or 45 years, they are always wanting some parental care. Why it happened? This is called the love tank. Every 7 years, your hormones changes, composition of hormones changes, and that give rise to this separate love tank. 0 to 7 years, you need parental care. Those persons who has not got parental care, they will be short of this love tank, and throughout their life, their personality will be incomplete. Throughout their life, their personality will be incomplete. So remember that if you find such persons whose children are between 0 to 7 years, they need good parental care. The biggest thing for the child is parental care. Those children who are, I have faced, personally I have faced. I was highly ambitious, so I kept my child always away in the name of, when his name came to the Guinness books, he was out. He became a different guy. Now he is not mixing with others, and he is different than others. Maybe you may be appreciating, but the complete personality needs everything in your life. So 0 to 7 years you need parental care. Just go and peep your childhood. What happened? What you remembered? The person who has not got this love, care from parents, those orphans, so they will be having incomplete personality. And those childhood is pretty bad. You will find person like Hitler. His childhood was pretty bad. So all those persons who are viewing here, please remember, this is scientific. This depends on hormones secretion. Separate the composition of the hormone secretion. 0 to 7 is different. So priority is also different. You will find child is always wanting somebody's care. If somebody else is coming in your home, you are not giving attention. They will break some item, they will create some noise, because they will try to draw your attention. Isn't it? This is all related to your life. I will not tell something which is not related to you. 7 to 14 years, your prime requirement is fun and play. Remember that, fun and play. I use this technique in teaching our children because they were not going to schools. So fun and play. With fun and play, whatever you want to teach them, you can teach. Nobody wants to read the books, etc., ABCD. But in the fun and play, if you want to make them learn something, they will learn very easily, much better than. That is why you are seeing some child give the mobile. What not they will be able to do. It's a fun and play for them. Give them laptop, they will do something new. Fun and play. Do you agree? 7 to 14 years. But yes, plus minus 2-3 years, depending upon the child, it happens. And what happens between 14 to 21? Every 7 years. Plus minus 2 years happens. Between 14 to 21 years, child needs peer group. My child will not be able to listen me. But if his peer group, his friend says something, immediately he will agree. So at one point of time I thought he is not going to schools and college. I wanted that he should join IIT coaching center here in Rajnagar, RDC. I knew that in this time, if I say directly, he will refuse. And this is what happened. Why my wife said, he has refused. I am a singer. What I will do with this? Your physics, chemistry, maths, though I am reading in this science, but see, my target is different. Wife was annoyed. She told me. I thought when wife has given command, it was rejected. I say, that may be rejected. So I have told his friend, you are so good in maths, physics, why don't you join this RDC engineering course for IIT, JEE. Why don't you join? I have told a lot of good words. He is also not listening his father. He is hearing me. And also what happened? I have left it. He has convinced my son. Both of them has gone and joined. Why my child has not heard, and why there is a generation gap, that you must understand, because you all will be facing this problem throughout your life. Why generation gap happens? My hormone secretion 0 to 7 years is different. 7 to 14 the hormonal secretion is different. 14 to 21 is different, and 21 to 28 is different. 28 to 35 is different. So they are in different paradigm. How you think that whatever I am thinking, my child will be thinking. The other thing is, my child is making its own identity. From the 11 years, child makes the identity. मुझे अभी भी बच्चा समझते हैं. You still find me child. See, my legs are, my height is more than you. My legs are this. I am more robust. आप तो old हो गए. This is what is happening. So child is making the identity. If child is not making the identity, then it will become Pappu. He will become Pappu. Remember this, identity making, and for making the identity, child tries to do with his own hands, with his own mind, with his own legs. Child is trying. That is why you will be seeing that those who are elder here, they may not be having good frequency matching with the father. Those males. Similarly, the females may not be having good matching with the mother. My elder brother was also not having any matching, because both were of same type. Same charges they repel. And today, after death of my father, my elder brother, he is remembering now and then. But as long as my father was alive, they were not having any good company with them. Remember this. Because here we are here to utilize this life properly. So this theory, if you remember, so from 14 to 21, there is a peer group. Okay? And from 21 to 28, your self-identity is required. Remember, we make the self-identity. So from 21 to 28, my hormones is such कि भाई मैं अपनी identity, I should make the identity. And from 28 to 35, we need some partner. Very simple. See, self-identity. When I am identified, I need a partner also. So some partner of any type. So next is the partner. When male and female partner is there, then you need a child. Those persons who is not married, from 28 to 35, you will find that they need a child to serve. बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपने देखा होगा पिक्चर में, वो गोद ले लेते हैं. They go to the orphanage home. And after the child, what they need? They need a society to serve. Initially, self-help, then company, husband and wife company, then children's help, then society help, then nation help, then the whole world. So like this way the hormone grows. That is why हमारे यहाँ क्या बनाया गया? ब्रह्मचर्य, गृहस्थ, वानप्रस्थ और संन्यास. This was 25 years. Here psychologists has divided into 7. Further they have subdivided. 7 years. And remember this. If you remember this, you can deal your child, your friends, and your colleagues or nephew or cousin, you can deal with it. You can deal also with your parents also. If you know this science. Okay? So, a lot of stories there. So many stories, because foreign writers, what they do, when they write a book, they will give you several examples regarding this. So, I will come back to here. Here, now we will see first. See, the men are from Mars. Men has a different characteristics. Men has more iron. Okay? And women are from Venus. If you are able to understand this, you can live your life. In our system, it is said, sacred marriage system. It is not for sex. And that is why in the foreign, they do it for physical need. Here it is a spiritual need. It's a sacred need. So that is why there see every 1 year, 2 year, 3 year people are divorcing. And a lot of problem within the family, your first wife, children, to whom he will be there. So many problems are arising. Okay? Now let us see this video. And this video is one of the fantastic video. This video will tell you how men is different, how woman is different, how you will deal with it. And everyone in the life, you have to deal with it. If your family life is not okay, your office life can never be okay. नीचे इसको बढ़ा देना. म्यूट कर दिया. Yourself. Normally, when men are very much depressed or having high stress, okay, when they are having high stress, they try to live alone. They try to sort it out. But women are different. What women they do? They try to talk to others. Am I right? Exception will be there. Some females are also like males, some males are also like females. But yes, it is seen that two categories. Normally males, when they are at stress or they are in great problem, they go and they live alone for some time, they sort it out. They think that why to disturb others, we will get it sorted out. And females, they try to talk, and also why the talking, they get resolved their issues. Okay? So here you are seeing men got to their caves when they have any problem, and women talk. This is the difference. So if you understand the difference, so there will not be any fight in between the two. So if female want that why the male is not telling me, or suppose some female has a problem, men think that I should leave her alone. What female thinks, you just see here. She wants to talk. She wants to talk. So she feels ignored. And that gives rise to the problem. Such a wonderful book. I think it has taken 30 years to write this book. 30 years of experience. You can imagine. So these books, see, these are the miraculous books. You may not get time in your life, but you can resolve all your personal issues. Okay. ये भाई तुम्हारे चक्कर में देखो कि साउंड ही नहीं आता, उसको छोड़ दो, इससे नहीं आ रहा. I hear female overwhelmed, person withdrawn, so goes to caves, and also the emotionally involved, and she needs to talk. She needs to resolve the issue by talking to someone else, and she needs to get care. Also the solving problems, goes to his cave, needs his space. Here she feels that somebody should understand, feel understood. I think those males who are sitting here, those females, they can just compare with it. Okay? It goes ups and downs and ups and downs. It happens because of the psychological nature, the happening inside the body. So the females are like waves. कई बार तो बहुत पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे, कई बार बहुत नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे, कई बार बहुत एनर्जी हो जाएगा, कई बार बहुत डिप्रेशन होगा. आप देखते होंगे लाइफ साइकिल में ये काफ़ी चीज़ें होती है बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्मोन सेक्रीशन. मेन्स आर लाइक रबर बैंड, सो दैट दे विल लिसन, they urge to pull away from them, it will come back. They are getting pulled away. ये जाएगा, मान लीजिए कोई झगड़ा भी हुआ, चला जाएगा, फिर लौट के आ जाएगा, फिर लौट के आ जाएगा. ये they are like rubber band. और sometimes what happens, आप देखते होंगे जब झगड़ा होता है तो वो छोड़ के घर चला जाएगा, लेकिन जब सेकंड टाइम जब आएगा तो ज़्यादा प्रेम से आएगा. This is the nature they have observed in thousands and thousands of people. So from here we are learning something may be of our help in our life. Yes. Compare with you. Compare with you, because these things are for your life. Okay? Just compare with you. Whether it is fitting, maybe 100% not, then 90% it will be fitting to your chemistry. So here female intimacy cycle, they don't give unsolicited advice. Okay? Next, I need some time alone. It goes to caves. Simple line. So they don't want to give problems to others. But women wants to console, to be heard, and a woman's self-esteem rises and falls like a wave. Okay? आगे बढ़िए. My wife has said very good thing. After the corona was over, the wife said, please don't go to office. The husband said, why? Well, you are working better than the maid servant. You are working better than the maid servant. So please don't go to the office. Okay. This is the summary. So here, wife never wants unsolicited advice. Those who are males, please beware. Don't give advice. Best answer in your family is no answers. Keep mum. Let her speak out. Okay? That should be the secret of your married life. So those who are males, please beware. Don't speak much. And whenever any advice is being asked, only then you give advice. And I have told you that once a big person, he was asked that, wife asked, please give me 6 of my negative points which I should correct it. 6 of the negative points which I should correct it. That person said, I will talk to you tomorrow. He thought 1,000 times. Next day he has taken 6 flowers and he said like this, these are the 6 flowers. I don't know your weakness. I don't know your weakness. If he would have told 6 weakness, minimum 6 times divorce he would have got. Remember this? Remember this? So never utter any negative, because they are at home. Mostly they are working in office also, in residence also. They are emotional, highly emotional. Because of their emotions, they nourish the child. And it's a great job. The word greatest job is to nourish a child. Remember that. The word greatest project is also nursing a child. Okay. So next book here, don't give unsolicited advice. Next. Next is, understand people need some space. Some space should be given to them. Remember, everyone in the world wants some space. If you give space, your life will be much better. Try to give some space. Always trying to have question and answer, it doesn't serve purpose. Give your wife or husband, give some space also. The best answer is no answer. Keep mum, most of the problem will be resolved. Listen to the people when they talk, because everyone wants to be heard. Everyone wants to be heard. So that you must remember. When someone is upset, don't take words literally. Try to understand the underlying issues. Please don't take words literally. And best thing is keep mum. If you can do a cup of coffee or tea or etc., that's okay. But you should not speak. That is the summary of this book. Another book I will tell you, books are very good. Please, if you want to grow, please try to read good books of great writers. Try to read. They have written in whole lifetime. They must have interviewed thousands and thousands of persons. Only after that, their book became famous. So they must have added. Next, इसी में देख. Boss, subordinate, friends, families, relatives, parents. So okay, spouse, children. Ultimately, you need to deal with the people. Remember that. So don't deal as an equipment. Don't deal them as a machines. So for that, this book is world famous book. Remember that. And whatever I am speaking, it is none of my word. These words are their words. Only I am simplifying. Please remember that. We want to see you greater than these great persons. That is why we are telling you, please take it and do the advancement. Okay? So you are all having great qualities. You are all living in a great era. Yeah. The people, they fail in dealing with people. Andrew Carnegie, I have already told you, a great businessman of this era. And people ask, why, how you are getting so much amount of business, so much success, and whatever work you take, you are always getting success. He said one line which we must remember. These things seems to be very easy, but we are not doing. He said that as you are finding the gold after tons and tons of kilos of the soil, I am digging in the person to find the soil in the gold in them, and people are laden with the gold. Everyone has enormous quality, some unique quality, some diamond quality. Everyone has that quality, and I am trying to take those things. That is why I am always getting successful. At no point of time I failed, because I knew every one of you are having a unique quality. But yes, that diamond is given to you. That diamond has to be rubbed. That has to be given shape. And only after getting the shape, it will be so beautiful. Only then its price will improve. So you have to bear the pain of brushing and cutting. This work is to be done by you. So then your qualities will improve a lot. Okay. Chalu. Here these 4 qualities everyone wants. Now tell us, who wants appreciation here? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who wants appreciation? There is no one in the world who does not want appreciation. Even the Prime Minister wants, but yes, in a different fashion. Even the President wants in a different fashion. What should I do? I want appreciation. What should I do? What should I do? I want mango. What should I do? Mango seed, tree, plants, and then fruits. Remember this. Whatever you want in your life, that you have to give first. You want appreciation? Please appreciate first. I told I was in Jalpaiguri. I went to a doctor who was of the age of 91, and I met him. So I have sent my card. Immediately he called me. For the first time I went to Jalpaiguri, and he said, I know you. I'm like, how do you know? How do you know me? For the first time I am coming to this city. He said, you are Mr. Seth, you were the GM of the state of the Sikkim. Yes, I was there. Your subordinate has told me. I have heard several times I have seen in newspaper. So many people's name is coming. Well, no, you have one unique quality. You appreciate so much. You appreciate your subordinate. See, I have appreciated someone. I might have forgotten. He will never forget. Remember that. Please remember, appreciate the good things of your spouse, of your children, of your parents, of your near dear ones. If you cannot do, how you can expect? How you can expect? You cannot expect at all. So remember, whatever you want, you have to give it first. आपको आम का पेड़ चाहिए, you need a mango tree. So you have to show the seed of mango, not guava. This you must remember. So second thing, how many of you want that your future should be okay? Please tell me, how many of you want your future should be okay? I said, I have gone to MDI, Gurgaon. I have said, those males please raise hand, females don't raise hand. Somebody raised like this. What should I understand? Neither male nor female. और कुछ लोग तो हाथ नहीं उठाए, because they will laugh tomorrow. कल समझ में आएगी भाई, आज थोड़ी ना समझ में आएगी. Remember that. I have shown you that who will see if I try to put water here, will it go? No. Why? There is a cap. There is a cap. Nothing will go inside. It is totally filled up. Our brain also may be filled up. Nothing will go. What I need? First of all, this. और फिर कूड़ा कबाड़ जो बेकार की चीज़ें हटानी पड़ेगी. Lot of garbage is already inside. Lot of negative point is already inside. So nothing will go inside. First of all, I have to throw all. And also I need that cap should not be there. Child is like this or like this. Child is like this or this. Child is like this. You were like this. That is why you have reached to this position. You were like this. Your mind was open. Why don't you keep that mind open just now? In the childhood, when your resources were limited, when knowledge was limited, when your company was limited, you learned a lot. In 4 years, 50 years of knowledge, you have got it. If you do it today, what will happen? So what you have to transform your childhood to today, just now. You have to keep your brain open. If it is not useful, you can throw it. But like a child, whatever is being told to you, whatever is being shown to you, initially you take it, then you can find it out whether it is of use or not. But initially what we say? Habe na. Kena habe? Ami karte parbo na. I can't do it. BSN will not succeed. BSN will make the turnaround. If you keep telling this word, same thing is going to happen. Remember that. Your words is a frequency and you are giving command to your subconscious mind, your Aladdin Jani. And that is what is happening with us. You are not a small guy. If you are a small guy, one person who was doing the beggary, somebody like me met him. He has taken, okay, I will give you a lot of money. He has taken him to the king. He said to the king, take one finger, give 1 crore. Not allowed. Beggar has not allowed. 2 fingers, 2 crore. 3 fingers, 3 crore. 4 fingers, 4 crore. 5 fingers, 5 crores. Full hand, 10 crores. Both the hand, 20 crores. Both the legs, also 40 crores. Liver, kidney, etc., 100 crores. He has not agreed. That beggar has not agreed. Then that saint slapped him. You are so rich and you are doing beggary. You have infinite power in your body. You have infinite power in your brain. When you will awaken yourself. And that person has become one of the greatest person of that time. He woke up. I will again tell you another story. One lady was also a beggar. She went to some house and she was pretty, not beautiful, so ugly, wearing the dirty clothes. She has gone to a certain house. That house person, he said, I don't give any beggary, but I am giving you a book. I am giving you a book. You read this book. That lady was knowing how to read the book. After reading that book was full of positivity. That book was telling this story, whatever I told. That book was telling that you have infinite power in your body, how to tap the power. That book told that how to tap the infinite power of your brain. And after 3 years, that old man met him in a 5-star hotel. On that day, there was an inauguration of some premiere show of movie. And she was the heroine of that movie. A true picture of England. She was the heroine of that movie. And that person could not recognize that lady. But lady recognized this old man. He said, immediately she said, yes, she thanked him, because of your book, because of your blessings, because of your positive words. today I am here, otherwise I would have either committed suicide or I would have been beggar like that. I will tell you certain good chutkala, the gossip, because you like the famous jokes. One inspector went to visit a school. So he asked one question: who has broken the Dhanush of Shivji? Who has broken the Dhanush of Shivji? Everybody was shocked. Nobody was answering. All of a sudden one child stand up. Teacher became angry. Teacher became, जरूर कुछ गड़बड़ होने वाला है. The child said, Sir, Shivji Dhanush I have not broken. That inspector was astonished by the answer. Teacher said, Sir, last month the window was broken by him. The table was broken by him. And also these boards was broken by him. He is the guy, he must have broken. He is telling lie. He is very notorious boy. The inspector of the school, remember, inspector of the school was astonished. What to talk about the student? This teacher is also so ignorant. He has gone to the principal's room. He said the same thing. Principal said, Sir, there are 3,000 children in my school. They keep breaking one thing or the other thing. What is new in it? शिवजी का धनुष तोड़ा, कौन सा बड़ा काम किया भाई? What is new in it? I will make it. I will get it made. That person again went to the chairman like me. I am also chairman of the Kendriya Vidyalaya. So that person went to the chairman. Chairman, he said, see what to talk about children, teacher and the principal. The chairman, when he heard, he said, Sir, I have nearly 51 schools. I have kept one carpenter for this. Wherever anything is broken, we will get it made. Sir, don't worry. I will send the carpenter, he will repair it. This is the kind of education we have. This is the kind of education we have. One more thing. All the animals, they thought that the human beings, children, they go wearing good dress to the schools and college. They are visiting and they look so nice. Why not to make our own syllabus? Running, climbing, swimming, flying, etc., etc. Let us have our own schools. They started going. And the fish was made that you will teach them swimming. So, but fish was told, please climb the tree. In the process of climbing, she was not able to swim. Monkey was told to swim. In the process of swimming, he was also, somehow he escaped from the life. So at the end of the year, eel bird, who is called the dumb bird, who is a fool bird, she knew little of everything and they topped. So I am also that type of person. Little knowledge, but remember this, nobody is there to recognize your own strength. The system is not there to appreciate your strength. Now it is turning. Earlier, only whatever is told, only you have to do. Okay? So here, between you and the God, there is an ego. So ego has to go if you want to grow. If you want to grow, it has to go. Okay? So between you and the God, the ego is there. And also, we are more interested in self. If this you remember, suppose if I am talking to you, if I am talking in terms of your help, your life, you will love it. Everyone wants to listen about themselves. So like this session is for your help. हम लोगों को तो जो जीना था जी लिया, आज नहीं, कल नहीं, परसों नहीं, 2-4 साल में राम नाम सत्य होगा. Okay? But you have to live long. So it is our job to show you the path. So if I take care of others, if I take interest in others, naturally others will also take. So whatever input I am giving, manifold output I will get it. Next is every person wants to feel special. This is the unique thing. Remember, everyone is special, everyone is unique, you have unique quality, and only you have to appreciate the uniqueness. Somebody is good in singing, somebody is good in anchoring, somebody is good in yoga, somebody is good in migraine also, and somebody is good in laughing, and somebody is good in the organizing the birthday party. Now and then, I don't know how many times they celebrate their birthday in a month. Isn't it? Every now and then something. This is the quality, uniqueness. Remember that. Your uniqueness, you have to love it. You have to improve upon. This is your uniqueness. Don't copy others. You need not copy others. You be yourself first. Because you are unique. You cannot be compared with others. You cannot be compared. How you can be compared? And this, so you please try to make your parents special. They have given you birth. They have taken enormous care. Your gurus who has given you a lot of knowledge and information. Even 1 second cost is $1 billion. They have invested time for you. They have told you how to be fit, how to be physically, mentally, emotionally fit. They have told you how to live your life. Even by 100 billion money also, you cannot pay their price, because that life is gone from their life. Next is the craving in everyone for the approval of others. This, everyone wants the approval. So please, if you take care of this, people will take interest in you. If you take interest in them, they will also take an interest in you. Such a simple formula, not so many things. Book is very big. These 5 minutes, 6 minutes, these books, they can change our life, and these sessions are to change life. बाकी ये कमाने दमाने का काम BSNL करवा ही लेगा, आपसे चिंता मत करिए. हम लोग भी कराएंगे, करा ही लेंगे. ये आपको जॉब में भी सिखा दिया जाएगा, यहाँ भी सिखाया जाएगा. Don't bother. Next. If you focus on self, I said inner self. If you focus on inner self, basically you are loving yourself. Basically, you are improving yourself. Basically, your inner self, inner property is improving. And when your inner property is improving, naturally, you will be a magnet. You will be attracting others. You will be attracting others because your qualities are improving. If you more focus on yourself, things are going to change. Rather than impressing others, if you focus on your quality, whatever uniqueness you have, you focus on that, keep nursing, keep practicing, keep improving, keep growing, keep learning. In that direction, things are going to change. Okay? And next they say, focus on self, then focus on acceptance. You accept first. You love yourself first. And the fact is, if you cannot love yourself, you cannot love anyone. You don't have the meaning of the real meaning of the love. Please remember this. You have to love yourself. You are infinitely blessed guys. You have got this birth after 86 lakh yoni. Even then also, you are able to talk, walk, eat. So many persons, they are not getting food also. So many persons, they have money, but they have a lot of disease with them. So, we are balanced guys. So let us pray, Lord, let us accept ourselves. Let us approve ourselves. So now the low esteem, see why low esteem comes. What is the difference between low esteem and high esteem? I will not focus on low esteem. Let us focus on high esteem. Why to focus on low esteem? We don't want low esteem. Okay? We want high esteem. Why? We have to be cheerful. Here in the yoga also you are learning how to be cheerful. Because initially it may be a drama. Initially it may be acting. But slowly this will become your act. By seeing your smiling face means, by seeing your smiling face, I am happy to meet you. So one signal you are giving, I am happy to meet you. So you are giving that happiness, happy to meet you. So others will also be happy. So whatever you are sending, you will get back. So your cheerfulness is the number one. You have to be generous enough. Only then other will be also generous. They will learn from you. You have to tolerate because you have to have patience. Sometimes somebody may be having certain problems. Suppose I have certain problem of health. So I may cry, I may abuse you. After some time I will be begging you. And that is what is happening in normal life. So you have to have perseverance. You have to have the feeling of the tolerance, the willing to listen. This is one of the best habit one can have. If you are going to marry, if you are married, this one quality we have to inculcate. One Mr. John, he was called by Abraham Lincoln by chartered flight from 1,000 kilometers far away place. And he was a very good listener. He never used to utter even a single sentence, giving only listening to Abraham Lincoln. And he was given due respect by the Abraham Lincoln. Remember this. Others used to either interfere or not listening properly, or यहाँ से सुना और यहाँ से निकाल दिया. One good thing again he used to do. He was having very good quality, and when his quality was told by the Abraham Lincoln, so he used to say, this is the quality of Abraham Lincoln, not mine. To add with this, he was getting respect from the President of USA. See this quality? So some of you are also having this quality. Please have this quality. One of the President of America, Mr. Kazil, something like that, he has least number of enemies. What was his quality? Normally, he was very miser in speaking any word. Though his organs was okay. And my son is also like that. वो दिन भर में 2 शब्द बोल दे बहुत बड़ी बात है. But whatever word he will speak, it has lot of sense. He says, you unnecessarily waste your time. So, that president, because he has not uttered many sentences, he has practically no enemy. जो नेता लोग बहुत बोलते हैं, तो अगले इलेक्शन में तो उनके घर में कुड़की भी होती है, सारा बैंक बैलेंस देखा जाता है. Remember this sentence. Okay? So बाकी तो तेरे good, great, very good, thank you. One video I have shown you. Thank you. The act of gratefulness, and also nice, well done. Even to the sweepers, even to the lift fellows, even to the persons who is serving you. Remember this. This may be a word for you. This may be life for them. Remember, this may be a word for you, and this may be a lifelong experience for them. Those persons who are working here, they are being told this type of sentence. So even if they are not getting money for the 4-5 months, they are working here, and you are not seeing any gloomy face. This is the fundamental requirement of each and every human being. So we are dealing with the humans. And remember that human experience is enormous experience. So always have a smile. Always keep celebrating birthday. Keep calling us. Have some dance, drama, etc. Enjoy your life fully. Enjoy every moment. Enjoy, because tomorrow it is going to happen or not. Tomorrow I will be alive or not. Tomorrow the situation will be like that or not. You don't know. Nobody knows. Lord Buddha's story you must remember. I live this moment. Ekhuni, eikhane. I will enjoy this moment. I will act proactively this moment. I will be proactive this moment, so that I can take maximum out of this moment. And when I have taken maximum out of this moment, my probability of next moment will be better and better. Then next moment will be better and better. Next moment will be better and better. Basically, I am making my own future. So you are creator of your own destiny. That we must remember. Nobody else. You have already created. You are among top 0.5% of this country. Top 0.5%. You must be seeing a lot of persons going to 1,000 kilometers on foot through the railway track. You must be seeing without food. Without food. And I have shown you the video also of the poor people. After seeing that, I see every day. I come to know lot of things are to be done. So I have lot of NGOs with me who are working with us. I am working in the office, okay, they need money, support, that we give. What is the problem? Remember that. So, lot of persons need your help, your moral support, your physical help, your intellectual help, your social help, and your motivation also. So many persons, they have lot of money, but they don't have time. Some person who has time, they can give time. Some person, those who have energy, they can give energy. So, lot of things you can do for the society, you can do for the whole world. Yes. Human being is always, most of the human beings, they are always bothered about feeding others. No animal has that quality. Only the mothers, they feed to their babies. But otherwise, only human being, they take care of others. That compassion, that love, that human being has. So we are not the animal. We are the human being. We have to prove we are human being. So we have to take care of others. Yeah.
होने का एहसास ना करवाए, दूसरों के साथ डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशन बनाए रखने के लिए हमें सामने वाले इंसान को इम्पोर्टेंस देनी चाहिए। लेट्स गेट में इस चक्कर में
See, we have to believe in earning. You give credit, you get credit. You appreciate, you get appreciation. You help, you get help. I have seen in my life, one time I have helped, many times from somewhere else I am getting the help. But I am not expecting from anyone should help me. And at no point of time it happened, nobody has helped me. Every time I got the help, whether it is a bush case, whether it is any other natural calamity, I got help from others. Because I had intention to help. I was proactive. Whatever I can, I will do. So, wherever any natural calamities happens, I was sent. And we could do a lot of things for the whole country. So, here you give credit, get credit. So, if you sort out the grievances of others, you will get, your grievances also will be sorted out. So, if you encourage others, you will, in the process, if you encourage others, you are speaking, you are hearing, you are processing, naturally you are encouraging you also. You are encouraging you because you are processing here. So if you encourage others, you will also get encouraged, and also when you need, sometimes you may be low, others will encourage you because you are giving same types of input. So criticizing implies don't criticize because you are going to get criticized. Also the opinions, if you give good opinions to others, ask implies their opinions, then they will also ask opinions. See, whatever input I am giving, similar types of output I am getting. And also, failure to inform implies of their growth. We should inform the growth, their good activity, their good deeds, their good birthday party. We have to intimate. Okay? About the selfie stick, so many things. About the this Zoom, we have to intimate. So favoritism. If you give favor to someone, you will also get favor. Try to give favor, but not out of proportion. Everyone. You remember that this philosophy has changed my life. From very, very beginning, my father said, your job is to help others, whether you have or you don't have. And this has changed my life. He said one more thing, you will not take anyone's job in your life. The day I joined UPSC, it was his word. Whatever you want to be it, you want to cut salary, that do, but please don't take jobs. So I have saved so many persons. Not less than 3,000 persons' life I have saved. They committed blunder, but today they change a lot. Okay? Next. You must have heard so many times, don't be judgmental. What does it mean? If you judge others, you are giving input of judging by others also. If you judge others, they will also judge you. You are seeing from your own speck, they are seeing from their own speck. That is called attitude. And my attitude cannot be same as the others, because in the environment I have got birth. So whatever environment, social, political, house, office, books, etc., etc. All these environment has made my attitude. Attitude means my spec. If it is red, I will see red. खूनी लोग तो रेड ही स्पेक लगाएगा. And see the society in the last 5,000 years, more than 15,000 wars happened. Can you imagine? 5,000 साल में 15,000 युद्ध हुआ. And whenever there was no war, we were preparing for the war. We were preparing for the war. What does it mean? War में अगर जवान मरेगा तो उसको शहीद करके तोप की सलामी देगा, लेकिन कोई भी बड़ा आदमी अपना बच्चा तो वहीं बॉर्डर पे नहीं भेजता. So people are exploiting why we have so many wars, and we are training our children only for the wars. Basically we are taking their lives. Basically we are making them non-peaceful. Basically they are fighting even on the road, because we have grown up the society which is always fighting. कहीं पे भी थोड़ा सा टच कर जाए आपकी स्कूटी से कार का, फिर देखिए मज़ा बाइक का, ऐसा लगेगा ज्वालामुखी फट गया. यू विल फाइंड दैट को अंदर का ज्वालामुखी फट गया, फिर तो कहेगा मुझे जानते नहीं. अरे साहब आप ही अपने बारे में नहीं जानते, मैं क्या जानूँ. दिस इज़ द फैक्ट. आई ऑलवेज टेल द स्टोरी बिकॉज टू मेक द लाइट. माई ओन लाइफ स्टोरी आई विल टेल. So when I am a voracious reader of books, that is why I am searching these things. ये सब पैसे से खरीदी गई किताबें हैं, कोई ऐसे नहीं देता. वो चैनल में आप पैसा देते रहिए, फिर थोड़े दिन में बंद कर देता है, फिर पैसा देते यूट्यूब वाले को, फिर देता है. These are downloaded books I have read, and these books are very costly, and people, you may not be having time for to read these books. इतना समय कहाँ है, वो बॉस डांट देगा, अरे चुपचाप ऑप्टिकल फाइबर ज्वाइंटिंग करो, फॉरगेट इट. क्या जितना कहो इतना बड़े बुद्धिमान बन रहे हो. यू मे बी मोर वाइजर देन देम. क्यों? यू आर नेक्स्ट वर्जन. अपने समय में हम भी बहुत 30 मार्क आते. हमें भी लोग ऐसा सोचते थे जीएम वगैरह कि ये तो नया लड़का आया, बहुत सीख करके आया, वो कुछ भी दे देते थे. कहे OCB आया है अभी नया, यू कैन डू इट, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, यू कैन डू. जो 1 साल में होता था दे यूज्ड टू से, अरे यू कैन डू इन 10 days. अरे यू आर सो न्यू, सो इंटेलिजेंट. फिर 10 दिन 12 दिन हम लोग लग करके एक कमिटमेंट होता था करते थे. OCB लगा रहे हैं, EWSD लगा रहे हैं, और इनिशियली OFC आया तो OFC जॉइंटिंग भी अपने हाथ से, फिर JTO से कराया गया, फिर नीचे पास ऑन किया गया. पहले तो कोई टच करने नहीं देता था, हम ही लोग टच करते थे. एज ए TD एज ए ADD हम ही टच करते थे. बहुत डर लगता था नौकरी चली जाएगी, कुछ ख़राब हो जाएगा तो नौकरी चली जाए. अभी बहुत अच्छा वातावरण. पहले तो लगता था कुछ काम भी करेंगे और ख़राब हो जाएगा तो गई नौकरी. बहुत चार्जशीट मिलती थी पहले, कुछ हुआ नहीं कि चार्जशीट मिली नहीं, और काम भी करना है. वो लेटर लिख के मिलता था 10 दिन में आपको OCB लगाना है. उस समय OCB एक साल में लगता था. आई हैव कंप्लीटेड इन 11 days. बैटरी, पावर प्लांट, दिस थिंग, एवरी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एवरीथिंग वी हैड टू डू फ्रॉम आवर ओन हैंड्स. वी वर फॉर्चुनेट इनफ. वहाँ पे कोई बाहर का कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सिस्टम भी नहीं था, ये तो अभी आया. देयर वाज नो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सिस्टम, दैट इज़ वाई वी नो मच, क्योंकि हमने अपने हाथ से हैंडल किया. वी हैव कॉन्फिडेंस, कैसा भी सिस्टम दे दो. अब तो क्या हो गया, प्लग एंड प्ले, अब तो कुछ नहीं है. एंड 5G के बाद तो वो भी ख़त्म, प्लग एंड प्ले. सो पहले इसको करते हैं, फिर बाद में स्टोरी सुनाते हैं. आज तक कोई CGM पढ़ाया नहीं है, उसको पढ़ाने का शौक़ भी नहीं है. वो तो चैम्बर के बाहर नहीं निकलता. CGM के रूम में GM भी नहीं जाते हैं. बट माई व्यू इज़ लीड बाई एग्जाम्पल. और आपकी लाइफ बनाना मेरे लिए आप ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है ब्यूरोक्रेसी से. यू आर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. क्यों? आपके पास पूरी लाइफ है. आप हमारे विवेकानंद बन सकते हैं, आप हमारे बुद्ध बन सकते हैं, आप एडिसन आइंस्टीन बन सकते हैं. देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप विद यू. एंड वाई दीज टॉपिक्स आर बीइंग चोजन? If there is a bondages in your life, you cannot grow. And these are the bondages. ये आपको बांध के रखती है. आप परिवार में बिजी हो जाएंगे, आप बच्चों में बिजी हो जाएंगे, इधर उधर बिजी हो जाएंगे. How to enjoy with them, our issue is that. How to enjoy with your present circumstances. How, and also how you can nourish them. जो आपको नहीं मिला आप अपने बच्चों को दे पाएँ, और आप अपने सबॉर्डिनेट को दे पाएँ, और आप अपनी सोसाइटी को दे पाएँ। यू आर नॉट स्मॉल। बीएसएफ में तो सब यही कहेगा, अरे जेटीओ ही तो हो, यू आर अ ग्रेट इंजीनियर, फॉरगेट अबाउट द पोस्ट, यू हैव गॉट द जॉब। यस, आई विल नॉट से टू माई बॉस, क्यों? वो तो उसके पास ई गो है, ई और गो भी है, ही हैज़ ई एंड गो। सो उसको करेक्ट करने के चक्कर में अपनी लाइफ मत ख़राब करना, बिकॉज बॉस इज़ ऑलवेज राइट। अगर ये याद रहेगा, हम लोगों को पहले दिन यही बताया गया। I told I was made Diasnan. I was one of the most hard-working person. I got the Sanchar Ratna of the decade, but even then I was made Diasnan. No, it is nothing to clap. I told system is like that. They have trained me by giving the Diasnan. I was always very polite with the subordinate, and they say that how you will get the things done in the very beginning. So they made me Diasnan, though I was working up to 11 p.m. in the night. This is the power your boss has. This is the power your boss has. Even if you are working for the organization, you can be made Diasnan, and no, you cannot write, you cannot do anything. If you remember this, क्या है भाई, झूठ मूठ हाथी के सामने आकर के क्या दिमाग लगाना है? अपना हट जाओ, रास्ते से जाने दो, क्यों दिमाग लगाना है? ही हैज़ द पावर, क्योंकि डिपार्टमेंट में ऐसे ही है। आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, दे हैव इनॉर्मस पावर। मेरे लिए किसी जीएम डीजीएम ये सब के लिए सरकार ने बहुत पावर दे रखी है, सारी वही पावर है गवर्नमेंट वाली। अगर ये आपको याद रहे, बॉस इज़ ऑलवेज राइट, तो आप संभल के चलोगे। इट डज़ नॉट मीन कि आप पूरे गुलामी बन जाए, बट उसको जवाब क्यों देना है? वो जो कहता कर दो, उसके पास भी कहाँ ज़्यादा टाइम है, वो तो कोई और भड़काएगा तब आपसे बोलेगा। ओके, रिमेंबर दिस, इफ़ यू वांट टू बी पीसफुल इन लाइफ, रिमेंबर बॉस इज़ ऑलवेज राइट। और बॉस को भी खूब पुदीने के पेड़ पे चढ़ाए रखो। आप तो बहुत अच्छे क्यों? एवरीवन वांट्स अप्रिशिएशन। अरे उसके घर में बीवी थोड़ी ना अप्रिशिएट करेगी, वो कहेगी तुमको किसने जॉब दे दिया है, हु हैज़ गिवन यू द जॉब। हम लोग यही सुनते हैं, तुम कोई लायक तो हो नहीं भाई, हु हैज़ गिवन यू द जॉब। क्यों भाई, मैं हुआ ऐसे ही है ना। सो इट हैपन्स। जो लोग अनमैरिड है, दे विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, इसीलिए चुपचाप बैठे हैं यहाँ। सो रिमेंबर दिस। ना, हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं, हमने ये नहीं कहा, हमने थोड़ी नहीं कहा कि आप कुएं में कूद जाओ। नहीं 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 नहीं, आपको उसके करप्शन लेना देना है, उसके लिए बहुत सारे लोग हैं देखने के लिए। आपको यही करना है, यूज हैव सेफ गार्ड। ओके, हैव सेफ गार्ड, ठीक है। उसके पास पावर है, और आपको फिर रूल पता होना चाहिए। मेरा एक सेशन भी है रूल्स के बारे में, क्योंकि रूल्स जब तक आप नहीं जानेंगे आपको बहुत दिक्कत आएगी लाइफ। यू मस्ट नो।
मेरे कॉलेज में 3 चीज़ सिखाया गया था सीनियर के द्वारा, रैगिंग में।
नहीं, हम आपको सिलसिले मतलब सीरियली लेंगे, जैसे यहाँ सीरियली लिया। एक एक बात में फ़ायदा नहीं है। आपको एक पूरा जो कंडक्ट रूल है ना, 2-3 दिन का सेशन होगा। मेरे पास एक एक्सपर्ट है जो आपको बताएगा कंडक्ट रूल, और कंडक्ट रूल जब आप सुनेंगे तो आप अपने लेबर से भी काम करा पाएंगे, आप अपने बॉस। आप जब रूल जानोगे तो कोई छेड़ेगा नहीं आपको, मैं लिख के दे दूँ। जब आप रूल जानेंगे तो आपको नोबडी विल टच यू, कि आप तो रूल जानते हो, और आपको बोलना भी नहीं है। आपको तो थोड़ी 1-2 वर्ड बताना है, काम हो जाएगा। लड़ने की ज़रूरत थोड़ी नहीं। हम अपने पिताजी से लड़ेंगे, बॉस इज़ माई फादर और मदर, उससे लड़ने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, उसको समझाना ही है, ठीक है। उससे लड़ना नहीं है आपको। लड़ जाओगे तो आप ही हारोगे। क्यों? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली उसके पास पावर है। अब मैं चलूँ प्रेसिडेंट से लड़ाऊँ, प्राइम मिनिस्टर से, 1 सेकंड लगेगा, कहेगा भाई घर बैठ जाना, कहेगा घर बैठ जाओ। रिमेंबर दिस, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली दे हैव द पावर। ये आपको, आप भी जब बॉस बनोगे तो आपके पास भी पावर आएगी, तो आप वहाँ तक क्यों नहीं पहुँचते भाई। और बहुत सारे तरीके, कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग। मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप ये जेटीओ बनो, आप एडीटी बनो, आप आगे डीआरडीजीएम बनाओ। किसने रोका आपको? सीजीएम बनाओ। सीजीएम भी नहीं, मैं सीएमडी बनो भाई। आज सीएमडी भी क्या, प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनो। जब चाय वाला बन सकता, आप क्यों नहीं बनेंगे भाई? यू शुड बिकम। वाई अदर्स? ओके, लेकिन ये सब शांति तो ना देगी। रिमेंबर दिस, लाइफ इज़ वेरी प्रीशियस। ये कोई पोस्ट के लिए नहीं मिली है। बहुत बड़ी बड़ी पोस्ट वाले बहुत भिखमंगे होते हैं, क्योंकि बेचारों की ज़िंदगी तो यही सब में निकल गई, ईगो में निकल गई, संभालने में निकल गई। जब शरीर चलना बंद कर दिया तब ध्यान आया। अब हम लोग पर टाइम कहाँ है भाई? मेरे पास तो जितने सारे ऑफिसर्स हैं, ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है उनको नरिश करने की। और मैं आपको इसलिए सिखा के भेज रहा हूँ कि आप वहाँ जाकर के सिखाएंगे, कि वो यहाँ नहीं आ सकते। आप वहाँ जाए, सिखाएं, योग सिखाएं, ध्यान सिखाएं। क्यों? आप देखेंगे 50% तो फिजिकली ही फिट नहीं होंगे। 50% लोग फिजिकल, आप उनसे ज़्यादा उम्मीद क्या करते हैं? ये हमारा सिस्टम है। वो तो उल्टा, एक तो खाने पीना है सब बेकार है, तो फिजिकली फिट नहीं मिलेंगे। चलिए इसको देखें। ऑल्सो रिटन हाउ टू डील योर वर्बल नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन। प्लीज़ स्टैंड अप, आइए इधर आइए। रिमेंबर योर पेरेंट्स, योर स्पाउस, योर चिल्ड्रन, एवरी डे a few times you must have touch. That is called the power of touch. Either you should pat. Whenever I am shaking the hands, I am not saying, see, here. What does it mean? I am not interested. Come here. I am interested to meet him. How are you, sir? And the best way is? Okay. Good, very good, good. Smiling. See, this is exchange of energy. And also your walk should be how your walk should be. Your walk should tell. Yes, आपने कभी देखा होगा महाभारत, अर्जुन की चाल को दिखाया होगा शुरू में, कैसे पिक्चराइज किया होगा। अभी तो आप देखते हैं, whenever you go to the roads, sometime I see that, I tell that as if lot of dead bodies are going. चेहरा देखिए that as if 20-25 तो जूते पड़े हैं। पता नहीं, ऐसा लगता है पूरी दुनिया का बोझ उठा के लेके जा रहे हैं। पूरा भी ऐसे में यही चला रहे भाई। See, if you cannot keep your body fit, if you cannot improve your face value, who else will give you value? You have to give, you have to improve your face value. Remember that. Your walk should be such, लोगों को लगना चाहिए ये विजेता आ गया, winner has come. People should think that yes, somebody is bubbling with the energy. Your talk should be such, yes, I have got a person. सब ऐसे ही है, चलता है. He has already died. वो कुछ दिन बाद डेड बॉडी उठेगी, 10 years, 15 years बाद. He has already died. You have given signal. साहब हमारा क्या हो सकता? कुछ नहीं हो सकता. BSNL का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Means we are the owners. Our owner is saying BSNL का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. See the fallacy. BSNL is present everywhere. You have what not? 80,000 employees. You have exchanges everywhere. You have optical fiber, copper cable here and there. Nobody is using. If you start using all those things, within 3 months things are going to change. I say 3 months. If you give it to any private operator, they will earn millions and millions of money from it. But yes, we are government employee. वो जब कोरोना आएगा तो सरकारी रूल चलेगा भाई, ऑफिस आके क्या होगा? घर में बैठना है. See, if you have love, it's our life, it's our karma yoni, it's our Kurukshetra. If I lose the battle, then what for we are living? What for we were working till date? This must be remembered. This is our love story. And we must respect our love story. And also this is a mission of not 80,000 people. There are 2 to 3 lakh still families are related with us. So many security guards, so many laborers, so many this thing, that thing. You must be seeing here also some persons here in all the field units, in all the exchanges, somebody is associated. So many franchisees, retailers, sub-distributors, so many people. So basically you are, earlier we used to have more than 8 to 10 lakh families who were depending on BSNL. Until date, see, so many persons are depending on us. Such a big job, such a big yagya. Why can't we make this yagya a successful yagya? But if you confine on you, then the whole balance sheet changes. If you confine on the whole pious yagya, you will have zeal and enthusiasm. We will do. We will make a new BSNL. We will make the change. We will have the change management. Nobody can stop us. Nobody. Nobody. So if that enthusiasm, that zeal we have, no problem will come. No private operator can compete. Today, we are all disintegrated. We are isolated island. We are isolated laptop, not connected to any internet. Internet is a teamwork. If we have a good teamwork from top to bottom, every HSA will sign. But the result is that everyone is isolated. Two-way life can be lived. Either this way, like a beggar, or this way, like a donor. Only two way. This means you are taking from the society more than giving. You are taking from the family more than giving. You are taking from the department and giving less. You are taking from the world and giving less. Who wants to live like this? Nobody wants to live like this. But we are living like this only. If you try to give and give, God will help you. So this is always connected from top. See, this is connected from the top. If you try to give, at least you will be having confidence. Yes, whatever you could do, you have done it. You have done it. And remember this, let us not live like this, let us live like this. Again, the same story. So two farmers, when they died, one farmer said, Lord, I have already given and given. Give me the life when I should receive and receive. So he was made like this. He was always receiving. Ek anni, do anni, chavanni, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise. He was made a beggar in the next life. Another farmer, he said, Lord, you have given me plenty. So I receive so much from all corners. You have given me. Give me life so that I should give and give. And he was made the Jamidar of that village. And he was like this. He was made the Jamidar. What is our choice? Our choice to be like this or this. For the BSNL like this or this. For the society like this or this. This is our choice. Life is nothing but our choice. We have to hit hard every moment. What I am going to give. And youthfulness is such a thing. Swami Vivekananda used to say, if you hit hard with firm belief, firm love, even to a mountain will break. जवानी से बड़ी ताकत कहीं नहीं है. And I pray, and we are working that you should be young up to the 125 years. And you will find me training to your grandchildren, grandchildren. I will train, don't bother. Grandchildren, I will... Grandchildren's grandchildren, I will train, don't bother. You will find me like this only. Okay? So let us have that oath. My body, my mind will not degrade. Rather, I will keep upgrading. I will keep uplifting. I will keep uplifting BSNL. I will keep uplifting the organization. I will keep uplifting the country. My country should grow. And there my contribution also should be maximum. If that way is there, then you will not have dream. You will not sleep. Your dream will not allow you to sleep. And dream is the one which should not allow you to sleep. Remember that. That's why you are seeing the Krishna, and I don't have sleep. I have read these things. I have read, collected, ki what should be told. आप भी सोचेंगे क्या बेवकूफ़ों में लेके आते. Those things which is pertinent to you. Because after searching 200, 300 videos. I am able to 200, 300 books. Only 2-3 books of your choice will be coming. Okay? This one book is a very lengthy book. This one book will give you so many things. Yes.
इसकी भावना को जगह देती है, मन से ऐसे
का whoever was coming to meet him, आपस में बात नहीं करी, whoever was coming to meet him, he used to think about that person more than 2 hours for the meeting, knowing about the characteristics of that person. That president was always on the wheelchair, always on the wheelchair. अभी नाम आपको याद है? He was always on the wheelchair and he was, नहीं, टेलर नहीं, अरे उसको हटा दे. स्टीफन हॉकिंस तो साइंटिस्ट था यार, प्रेसिडेंट बता रहे हैं, वो तो अभी था. Good, big round of applause to him. Roosevelt. You have to learn from the goodness of these great persons. Otherwise, you have to live that life again. Why I am telling this? This one book, this person has lived one full life and he has written something. 2 ways to learn. Either I have to live that 100 years, 89, 90 years and learn these things, or we can learn from his deeds and good comments. So simple. So remember that any good person, any great person, any successful person, they have only one common habit. They will continuous learning person. They were a voracious reader of books, maybe sports person. They always read books or they kept learning from one or the other person. And that is why they have become great. You will say that why a sportsman is learning. See, ultimately, each and everything is to be done by your brain. They understood that unless and until you develop your brain, your physique also will not develop. Because your control over the physique will also not be there. Also, you will not be able to handle the circumstances, various circumstances. So, they were always eager. All the trainers, they used to train them mentally, not physically. I have also a very good video, I will show you. The Milkha Singh. I will show you that picture, Milkha Singh, very small clip. Okay, so please see that. So what I am learning, if my brain is getting developed, and when brain will get developed? When I will learn. From where I will learn? 2-3 methods. Either from the trainer, or reading books, or being in contact with such persons who are learning and training you, or yourself reading. Have the verses reading. Give minimum 2 to 3 hours. I give 6 hours for me. 6 hours every day. I don't leave home without reading those things. So I am learning because I want to grow, I want to learn, and so many things. When you read 6 hours, 6 lines, 10 lines only you will retain. बाकी तो जब मौका मिलेगा, जैसे ये देखा तो मुझे याद आ गया, कुछ भी देखा तो 10 स्टोरी याद आ गई. So remember this, if you want to live happy, if you want to be successful, if you want to have big bungalow, if you want to have big car, if you want to become CMD, if you want to get anything, there is only way out. Your brain has to be developed. Only way out. Your brain has to be developed. The only way out, you have to put in hard effort for learning. So make it a practice. This is only the practice. Make it a practice to learn. Be associated with such environment, because that environment will have your attitude. Have experienced person, with those experience you can learn. And also persevere, keep doing, and you will see that whatever you are today, it is irrespective of the post. I am still remembering some of my JEs who are so wise. I take suggestions. They are among my Navratna. I don't bother about the post. I know something they are capable, only they can do it. And one my AK Nag was there in Sikkim. Though he was JE only. He was JE only. He was in Singtam. So whenever I was thinking something new, I used to include him. And I used to give all my power to him. As a head of the state, used to give power to him. And wherever he was going and arranging for him all the arrangement. And he did miracle. So everyone is unique. Everyone is uniquely blessed irrespective of the post. Remember that. Yes, post is meant for something else. So here you see the stage of comedy. So you must, one more thing you must do every day. You must smile as much as possible. Learn from the persons who are always smiling. Okay, must smile. Because this is the positive part of the positive cloud. It will connect other things. Your stress will reduce. Your face will glow. Your confidence will improve. And remember that those who are smiling and laughing, they have a good chunk of people connected to them. And similar reverse is also there. Those who are not smiling are always sad. They are always alone. And alone means you are a stand-alone computer, not connected with any environment. Don't be stand-alone computer. Only a few Buddha are there who can live a stand-alone, not all. Not Buddha like me, only Buddha can live. So that is why I have company of good grade, diamonds. I am gaining from all of you, your smile, your act, interacting with you, so that you are our future. This country's future. If you developed a lot, this country will grow. So this is our job, that to make you realize this is the golden time for your life. Whole life you can enjoy. Whatever you want, you can get it. And in whatever fashion you want to live, you will live it. If you take little care, jagte hue rahe, be conscious enough to live. When you are conscious enough means light is going with you. So you will never have darkness, no sadness, no failures. Conscious means going with light. Lord Buddha did, Maharishi Aurobindo did, Sacha Baba did, Einstein did. Why can't we? Why can't our people? Okay? कोई पहचानेगा नहीं कौन आ गया उस समय शुरू में के सो in future, because you will be dealing with various circumstances, you will be dealing with your क्या हुआ बंद हो गया. It tells how to deal with the marriage. We give birth to the child. Nobody tells you how to nourish the child. You can prepare a greatest soul on the earth. You can prepare a great soul. I have learned the books how to nourish, because of the circumstances I have learned how the greatness can be filled in the child. See, when the product is in the factory, it's very easy to change anything. Like this cup, when whatever shape I want, I can get it done when it is in the factory. But after that, I can only do the coloring, cosmetics only. Similar thing is with the child. Similar thing is with the project. If project is in the pipeline, then whatever fashion you want to change, you can change it. But once it is approved, when it comes out of the factory of the mind, then a little changes only can be done. This you must remember. क्या हुआ? Okay. Corona has no meaning. You have given meaning to the corona. Remember that. The circumstances, if they are there, how you deal with it. Same situation, somebody has broken heart and somebody has broken the record. Same situation. You must be seeing all those persons who are great because they have dealt every problem as an opportunity. So, how you take it, that is the responsiveness. So, same event, I was telling one story. One mafia father, he had 2 children, and all of a sudden the police came to house and he has taken the mafia to the jail for life imprisonment. Elder brother, he became like father, and younger one was opposite. People have done a lot of research. Situation is same. So, lot of research happened. People questioned the elder one. Sir, how you have become like this? He said, don't you know where is my father? My father is in jail. He is a criminal. जिसका बाप ऐसा हो, उसका बच्चा ऐसा नहीं हो तो कैसा होगा? Whose father is like this? Whose children will be like this or not? Tell me. So people have contacted the younger one. They said, whatever happens in this city, you are always being called. आपको हमेशा बुलाया जाता है. अरे भाई, हम लोग भी यही सब काम किए हैं. Okay? So, whatever happens in this city, you are always called as a chief guest. Why you are like this? He said, जिसका बाप ऐसा हो, उसका बच्चा ऐसा नहीं हो तो कैसा हो? Answer is same. Words are same, but the meaning is different. Why? Why the meaning is different? The first one, he accepted as it is. उसी बहाव में बह गया. Without giving any mind to it. बगैर अपना दिमाग लगाए हुए. इसी कोरोना में बहुत सारे लोग बह जाएंगे. इसी कोरोना में बहुत सारे लोग बहुत आगे भी निकल जाएंगे. You will see this. Situation is same. How you are taking the situation, the event, how you take, it depends on you. आप देखिए हमारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है अभी WHO में प्रेसिडेंट बना दिया गया. सिचुएशन इज सेम. WHO में ही हैज़ बिकम द प्रेसिडेंट. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू हाउ यू टेक इट. यस, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैज़ बिकम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द WHO नाउ. So people ask why it is happening. That elder one, he has seen the results. He was focused in the result. Whatever my father did, the end result is he has gone to the jails for the life imprisonment. And so he was result oriented. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं परिमाण. पहला तो परिमाण में गया, दूसरा परिणाम में गया. द वेस्टर्न कल्चर, दे बिलीव इन द क्वांटिटी. द ईस्टर्न कल्चर, दे बिलीव इन द रिजल्ट्स. कहते हैं कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. जैसा कर्म करेंगे वैसा फल मिलेगा. तो सो रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड. ऐसा कर्म ही क्यों करें कि हमें बाद में दिक्कत हो, ओके, बाद में प्रॉब्लम हो. यू मस्ट रिमेंबर दिस. सो यंगर वन, he was not swayed away by the father's misdeed. He has applied his mind and he was focusing towards the results. मैं बताऊँ, my father used to take a lot of pan, तंबाकू. He used to take. I used to rush. मुझे बहुत जाना पड़ता था. I have taken an oath कि मैं तो ना खाऊंगा कभी. बहुत दिक्कत होती थी, देर होती थी, मारते भी थे. दौड़ के जाना पड़ता था, दौड़ के लाना पड़ता था. पान और तंबाकू ये खाते थे खूब. और थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में कोई भी आ जाए, दौड़ के जाना है. वो हाफ पैंट पहने, टी शर्ट पहने, नहीं पहने तो भी भागना होता था. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ इट हैपेंड, बट येस आई हैव टेकन कि आई विल नॉट टीज एनी वन लाइक दिस. सेम थिंग दैट यंगर वन, he also has taken that oath. I will not do whatever my father has done it. So he totally became reverse. So इसको कहते हैं दृष्टिकोण. How you take it, how you respond to any situation, it all depends on you. Similar thing, I tell you, 2 horse riders, they came. One asked, how is this village? The old man said, first of all you tell me, how was your last village? He said, so bad people. Please don't take name of that village. He said, this village, I know, this village is much bad than that village. Then he has gone. The next housekeepers, they came. He came. He asked, how is this village? He said, tell me about the last village. He said, so good people. By taking their name now, he was crying. But my circumstances was like that I had to leave that village. They have a great part in my heart. That same man, he said, come, I welcome you in this village. This village is much better than that village. What happened? The third person who was listening this, he asked, why you have said two persons different answers? Why? तीसरा आदमी जो खड़ा सुन रहा था बोला, उसको तो आपने कहा कि ये पूरा तुम्हारे गांव से भी ज़्यादा बुरा है, इसको कह दिया तुम्हारे गांव से बड़ा अच्छा है. He said, the first person who came, his attitude is totally negative. And when he will live in this village, he will spoil this village and also he will have a bad impression about this village. जहाँ आप जिस घर में पैदा हुए ख़राब है, आपके घर वालों ने, माता पिता ने पाला है, अपना पेट काट के पाला है, अपने जीवन का एक एक सेकंड लगा के पाला है, आपको आपके परिवार दोस्तों यारों ने बढ़ाया है, टीचर ने बढ़ाया है, उनके पास रिसोर्सेज भी कम थे, आप सबको इंजीनियरिंग कराइए, छोटी बात नहीं. इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग. दे वुड हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ विद दैट मनी. उन्होंने, किसी ने खेत बेचा होगा, किसी ने अपने प्रॉपर्टी बेची होगी, तब जाकर आपको इंजीनियरिंग कराई है. और इंजीनियरिंग में आजकल 15-20 लाख खर्च हो ही जाते हैं. So remember that such a great job they have done it. So you must have attitude of gratitude. उनके लिए उस समय जो 1 रुपये था, आज का 100 रुपये 1000 रुपये के बराबर होगा. आपके समय में जो कराया गया 1 रुपये today 1000 rupees. Plus they have invested their life for you. That is unparalleled, invaluable. Why I am saying this? These words are forgotten today. You cannot repay your parents' time, your parents' youthfulness, your parents' love. You cannot repay. You can't. Maybe you become billionaire, but you cannot. If you remember this, they are your God. They are godfather and godmother. Remember this. I have not seen the Lord, but I have seen Lord in my father and mother. Okay, this we must remember. And here you have come, here in this session you have come to realize that yes, how blessed we are. We are still alive. Every day 15 lakh people die. We are still alive. So many persons in the corona died. So many people, they have lost job. 3 crore people, they lost job in the USA. 3 crore people, 30 million. 30 million. And India also will have the same. Don't bother. We are so lucky. Being in BSNL, you will always have the job. But with the condition, we have to make BSNL survive. We will survive. We will put in hard-earned effort. Okay? So you must have seen a lot of PSUs are being sold. Have you heard? I hope BSNL is not one of them. How lucky we are. If that VRS won't have happened, अभी बिक जाता. VRS ना हुआ होता ना, तो अभी हम बिक गए थे. See, every situation is favoring us. And also our people have worked hard in the field. So government have sympathy with us.
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
हाँ, जो होता अच्छे के लिए होता. कहानी याद है? हाँ, all is well. Okay. इसको सुनिए. is one of the great motivator. He talks with the energy. आप देख. A real life story I again tell you, because see, all these videos, all these teachings has no meaning if it is not changing the way we look at it. Remember that. If we don't change ourselves, every time is a waste time. Not time, I am wasting life. Remember, this is a precious life. every moment you have to live it. Live your life every moment. You have to live it. And when you live it, खुदा भी तुझसे पूछे कि बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा भी तुझसे पूछे कि बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. जब तक ये बात ना हो, ये शिक्षा ना हो, अदरवाइज माई लाइफ विल बी टोटली आइडल. थोड़ा आराम कर लें, थोड़ा इधर चले जाएं. यू कैन enjoy in every situations. You can enjoy while work. Suppose I enjoy too much today, I don't work. My boss will say, okay, Mr. Seth, you go, again you go to the northeast. Because Mr. Chandrasekhar has to go to Bangalore. Either I do my job here with wholehearted effort, or some other job will be there, given to us. Remember this. If you are truthful to you, the whole world will be behind you. If you are truthful to you, who are you? I am not simply a body. You have been sent. You are this part of that Lord sent on a special mission. You are Avatari Purush. Because you have taken birth. Birth को ही अवतार बोलते हैं. जो अवतरित हुआ उसी को अवतार कहते हैं. आप भी अवतरित हुए, पैदा हुए. You have got birth. And birth means really the Lord is in you. Lord is not somewhere else. Lord, all the temples, all these books they tell, it is inside you. But yes, everyone asks that what happened? God asks, I have made the human being. I have committed a blunder. They will find me anywhere. Somebody said, go to Himalaya. He says he is so powerful. In Himalaya also he will come and disturb us. इसीलिए बहुत सारे साधु संत वहाँ पहुँच गए. भगवान ने कहा आप क्या करें? People said you go to moon. बोला वो तो मून पे भी पहुँच गए. Go to Mars. Go anywhere. Lord was worried. I have made human being such an entity. I have given him my own life. I have given him my own body. They are so intelligent, they will find me. So they called the meeting of all the Lord. So they were worried what to do. So Narada said, you can do one thing, sir. Prabhu, you can do one thing. He said, what? He said, please go and hide yourself inside the human being. कोई बुद्ध होगा वहाँ जाएगा अंदर. बाकी सब तो बाहर ही ढूंढते रहेंगे. कोई बुद्ध होगा. Some Buddha will reach to the heart and they will find you. Other Buddha like we, they will never find. They will keep searching here and there. Remember that Lord is within you. He is breathing in you. He is smiling in you. He is already existing in you. Remember that you are not the body. You are that spirit. You are that consciousness which is inside you. And if you believe that, then things are going to change. Your Dristikon, etc., it will come. It will come with a light. Whatever you see, whatever you feel, things will happen in your life. Because consciousness has the power of 1 crore sun, 1 crore Surya. And that has made you alive. And that is keeping you alive. But yes, we don't believe. We have dissociated ourselves from the inner self. Since I don't have my small mind is not able to connect with the inner self. And that is why we are weak. And that is why we don't have good immunity. Consciousness is so powerful. From a small seed of sperm, they have made you grow to like this. They have made Buddha. They have made Mahavira. Who is Mahavira? Has he fought any battle? No, he has never fought with anyone. He has never fought with anyone. He is called Mahavira because he has won over the mind. Winning over yourself is the biggest win. Your mind can be tackled easily. Your mind is under the control of your breath. That is why I always train you in the morning breathing technique. By this way or that way. 5, 20, 10. When you have control over your breath, you have control over your mind. Whenever you are angry, you have so many thoughts coming to your mind. So your breathing is so fast. Your breathing is fast. It is 50. Your breathing is very fast. Whenever you are doing any such activity which we call negative, your breathing is very fast. When breathing is very fast, but whenever you are cool and calm, your breathing is slow. It means whatever is visible inside you, it is related to your breath. So I said that when you hold the breath, no negative thought can come. The biggest problem is holding the breath. You hold it and tell me. You hold it for 20 counting. Your body will say, please leave me. मैं नहीं आता भाई, मैं कोई विचार नहीं आएगा. I will not come. Please leave me. Remember, when you have slow breathing, and what I said, alpha state, 8 hertz to 13 hertz means slow breath, and below that is your samadhi. There 0.5 hertz, 0 to 0.5 hertz. If you are able to stay, that is next stage I will teach you, the samadhi. It has nothing to do with the spiritualism. I will tell you, whatever is your body, if you go to samadhi, even after 100 years, you will be like that only. It will be like that only. Those persons who have gone to samadhi after 100 years, they look like 30 years only. Why? The more you take oxygen in carbon dioxide, lot of waste develops, so naturally you are wasting your energy and you are creating toxins. So in samadhi, your breathing is so slow, and when your breathing is slow, oxygen intake is also low and carbon dioxide secretion is also low. Tell me, where is the spiritualism here? This is simply a physical science. Now today, all scientists, they have proved, my guru has been sent for various researches regarding this, and they found that yes, it's all true. The origination, so simple thing, only by breathing you can control your life. And when you can control this vehicle, wherever you want, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So breathing is the essence. इसीलिए प्राण आयाम, control over prana. From prana means through breathing. And how to extract prana from air? Pranavayu. Prana from pranavayu. That is again extraction. Omkar sadhana is nothing but taking prana from pranayam, pranavayu. And also 3 miraculous, in the morning we told regarding 3 miraculous bandha, that is again extracting prana from pranavayu. Otherwise, today, what is happening? The child which is small, which is having less resources, which is also weak by body, he is having more energy. You are grown up, you are taking much food, you are taking much vitamin A, B, C, D, and you are getting tired. Just think it. You will come to know the solution. You are all scientists. Just think it. At least you think for you. Forget about others. You think for you. Whatever body it has been given, try to make it better and better every day, because someday you may also fall sick. On that day, what will happen? If you are maintaining at that, if you are fallen sick, 20% reduce, फिर झुर्री बढ़ेगी, फिर बुढ़ापा आएगा. Let us take an oath. We will escape from this by changing our lifestyle. Our all efforts are changing your lifestyle, changing your thought process, changing your food process also. I have not touched food process. बहुत सारे लोगों को तो मछली चाहिए भाई. फूड प्रोसेस अगर चेंज कर लेंगे, आपको लगेगा ज़िंदगी में. आई हैव टोल्ड अबाउट वन आइलैंड इन जापान, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, ओकिसावा. Their average age is more than 100 years. And why I should have 100 years? I have invested a lot of money in studying ABCD, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, this state, that state. What is the fun learning this? If I cannot enjoy, तो पूरी ज़िंदगी तो गधों की तरह काम करते रहे, बैल की तरह घूमते रहे, कहीं ऑप्टिकल फाइबर ज्वाइंटिंग करते रहे, कहीं इधर घूमते रहे. Whatever I have earned and learned, इसको यूटिलाइज भी तो करना, मज़ा भी तो लेने का समय हो. And that can happen only if I can keep myself healthy, wealthy, and also my mind should be healthy. Smart mind, smart body. Aim is you should have a smart body, you should have a smart mind, you should have also a smart heart, and also you should have a smart consciousness. These four things, all these processes, all these teachings, all this learning is leaving all the job, we are focusing on you. We have a lot of hope from all of you. You are all great guys, you have to become great because you are part of the greatness. Your parents has done a lot of efforts for you. They have invested a lot of things and you also have worked hard to reach to this place. Not only हाथी निकल गया, पूंछ बाकी है. You have learned so many things. हिंदी, अंग्रेजी, उर्दू, बांग्ला, क्या क्या सीखा. अब थोड़ा सा बाकी है. अब तो आपको सब कुछ आ गया, खाली इसको समझना है. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Give a big round of applause to all of you. अरे यार let us see who is young. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आज ये मुस्कुरा दिया भाई. ये अब तो पार्टी बन दी भाई. अभी मंजूनाथ नहीं मुस्कुराया, कहाँ गया? हाँ